Hey there, financial savvy viewers. If you're looking to open a Wells Fargo account, you're in the right place. Whether it's for everyday banking, saving for the future, or accessing cool digital tools, Wells Fargo makes it straightforward. In this video, I'll guide you through the process step by step, so you can get set up quickly and confidently. Let's dive in. First, start by figuring out what type of account suits you best. Wells Fargo offers options like checking accounts for daily transactions, savings accounts for growing your money, or even credit cards with rewards. Think about your needs. Do you want no monthly fees, mobile check deposits, or high interest rates? Once decided, head to the Wells Fargo website or app to begin. Next, gather your essential documents. You'll need a valid government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport, your social security number, and proof of address like a utility bill. Having these ready will make the process smooth and prevent any delays. Now, choose your application method. The easiest way is online. Visit wellsfargo.com and click on Open an Account. You'll fill out a simple form with your personal details. If you prefer, you can use the mobile app for a seamless experience or visit a local branch for in-person help. During the application, you'll verify your identity. This might involve answering a few questions or receiving a verification code via email or text. It's a quick security step to protect your information. Once approved, fund your new account. You can link it to another bank account for a transfer, deposit cash at a branch, or even set up direct deposit. Aim to add at least the minimum required amount to activate it fully. Finally, activate your debit card and set up online banking or the app. Test it out by making a small transaction or checking your balance. And just like that, you're ready to manage your finances with Wells Fargo. Remember, banking rules can change, so double-check the latest requirements on their official site. If you have questions, Wells Fargo's customer support is excellent. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Let's keep building your financial future together.